This is the place where you need to train yourself to be independent and become a service-oriented person. Now I know that all of you are aware that your training is not a walk in the park experience, and I assume that all of you has already prepared for yourself for NJFTTI is a training ground for the best public safety officer in jail management and penology. Our guest of honor and speaker, the Vice Governor of the Province of Bataan, Honorable Maria Cristina Mangubat Garcia.
Buo ang tiwala at suporta ng pamahalang panlalawigan at sangguniang panlalawigan ng Bataan sa napakahalagang pagsasanay na ito. Kasama po ninyo kaming mga Bataenyo sa pagdadasal at matapos ang 4 na buwang pag-aaral na pagsasanay ay maging huwaran kayo sa pagganap ng inyong sinumpaang tungkulin bilang mga nasa unang hanay sa pangangalaga sa kapakanan at kaligtasan ng ating mga mamamayan.
On our end, my Luzon campus team will do our part of honing the skills of our recruits worthy of becoming full-fledged jail officers in the next 4 or 5 months.
We expect you, therefore, to be submissive and obedient in all legal instructions given to you by the training staff. Make this 4-month training worthwhile in acquiring the skills, knowledge, and right attitude to become a proficient and effective jail officer.
In my capacity as the registrar, I have the honor to present to you 299 participants of JDRC 2022-08 for the formal opening test.
As a director of the National Jail Management and Penology Training Institute, I hereby declare the opening of classes of Jail Basic Recruit Course Class 2022-08 effective this date. Congratulations and welcome.
Walang lagdagan na sama-samang hahanapin ang liwanag at tayo'y magpapaalon sa isang daluyong na maghahatid sa atin sa isang mahabang panaginip. Di na hihinto. Huwag kang bibitiw bigla. Huwag kang bibitiw bigla. Higpitan lang ang iyong kapit, maglalayag patungong langit. Teka, kaya ba natin to? Kung hindi na'y aakayin ka titatayo. Yun, kaya hanggang ngayon tuloy. Huwag kang